Walgreens deals this week. I'm going to show you what I picked up with the $10 reward that I got from the Batiste shampoo, dry shampoo deal. So you can be able to do this, but also don't forget to like and follow so you can continue to receive notifications and continue to see the savings. So in the video before this one, I was letting you know how I picked up some pictures and got my perks and how I'm starting to use them for the next few transactions. So check out the video before this one to see the series of the 3 transactions I did, and also see the other transaction videos so that you can see what's going on at Walgreens this week. And also along the way, I'll be giving you some tips because there are some changes, unfortunately. In this case, I'm going to show you a deal that I did last night. And I must say, I tried like 4 different stores to find these products, and all of them said that they were out. They were out of stock. Yet I went to the store and there were like 20 of these. So I'm going to turn the camera to show you, and let's get into the video. So at Walgreens this week, we have the Dove hand soaps, 2 for $8. So I picked up 4 for a total of $16. That would make each one $4 each. Now, there is no digital coupon, so you're not getting a digital coupon, and you're not going to get something back for it. But as I was mentioning before, I've had a few people reach out to me to let me know if I had any of these in my like stock in my inventory, and I didn't because we barely get any coupons for it, and they're usually $4.99. So that's the regular price. So at 2 for $4, it's already a deal. However, normally we would get either we get a digital coupon or we would get something back like a registered reward, but we're not getting anything. That's not like that's not the main thing. The main thing is that everyone that was calling me, the concern was that they kept checking online and none of the stores around them have these products. So I'm not sure why it's not showing up, but it's definitely in the store. Now I went into the store and I scanned the product and it still said that it was out of stock while I'm in the store scanning them. So I'm not sure what's going on. I hope you can find these at your store if you're into it. So I picked up, as like I said, a total of 4 of them for $16. And I rolled into this transaction another coupon that I had from that Batiste dry shampoo a deal. So I'm not calculating that in the breakdown for you. I'm just letting you know that if you have registered rewards, you can use them as well. I put into this transaction one of these perks that I showed you in the last video that I picked up a total of 3. This would be the second one that I used. So let's do the math now. So that's $16. And then I use that perk, so it's minus $5. So it's going to be $11 divided by 4. You're going to pay about $2.75 each. Again, it's not the most greatest deal, but it is a deal on these soaps if you're really into it. Now, I know that the deals that we've been doing, and I've seen other creators lately, we are paying a little bit more out of pocket, or basically the net cost is coming out higher, however it is that you want to see it. And it's because there have been a lot of changes at the Walgreens store, and I'm going to keep letting you know as things come up. So in order for you to be able to use registered rewards and get a registered reward back, you would have to use it on a different item. Keep checking the videos. I posted more information on that in the video before this one. Every time I know something about the changes at Walgreens, I will definitely let you know. If you're interested in online transactions, also put it in the comments so that I can do those for you as well. Until the next one, and don't forget to smile.